I'll be talking to you today really about our recent product launches and a little bit about the Magento roadmap as well. Before I do that, I want to give a warm thank you to all the developers in the room. As we launched Magento 2 in February this year, we also launched our community engineering program. And we've had some tremendous success with this community engineering program. You can see here on the sliders, there's over 1,500 pull requests that we've had, and there's some absolutely great numbers here. It's really a way for us to enable our community to give back to the products, give back to the community, and we're very happy and very proud that it's worked so well. It's actually worked that well that over 20% of the code that's been written in our Magento open source and commerce products this year has actually come directly from the community. So again, thank you very much to all the developers that are in the room today. And if you haven't gotten involved yet, you can. It's easy. Go onto our GitHub pages and you can get started there. So let's move on through to some of the product updates. And I have quite a lot of content to go through today. First of all, quick recap, and I think Kathleen already alluded to this a little bit. Really, the core of what we provide is a cloud solution, a cloud platform that has two elements to it. On one side, we help you unify your customer touchpoints, and on the other side, we help you optimize your fulfillment strategies to ensure that you're able to balance your business goals with customer demands. At the core of this is our Magento Commerce Platform. The Magento Commerce Platform enables you to develop full, customized, personalized experiences for your customers across all devices, be that desktops, laptops, or all types of other devices. We also have our Magento Order Management Suite, and the Order Management Suite is the foundation and the brains behind a retail operation. It allows you to enable features like ship from store functionality, ship to store functionality. It enables you to do pickup in store, and really it tracks full inventory and orders across the board, helping you to run your retail operations more efficiently. We have our Business Intelligence Suite, the Magento Business Intelligence Suite, which allows you to take all that data that the Magento products gather, put them in one place, take data from third-party applications as well, put it in one place, and use that data to make intelligent decisions more efficiently. To safeguard all of the innovation that we're providing, we have the Magento Marketplace. And this is an app store that provides hundreds, if not thousands, of applications, plugins, and extensions that you can use to go to market quicker. We also have Magento Social and Magento Shipping, and I'll have a couple of slides on those a little bit later in the presentation. But first of all, let me talk a little bit about B2B. And B2B has been a huge area of interest for many of our customers. And Magento is already a very, very clear market leader when it comes to B2B commerce, specifically B2B e-commerce. We are the very clear number one in terms of the number of customers that we have. There's one one statistic here. If you look at the internet retailer B2B 300, so the 300 largest B2B customers, we have over doubled the number of customers on our platform than our next biggest competitor. And this is for the second year in a row now, and it's the only 2 years this survey has actually existed. So something we're very, very proud of, but something that we're investing in. As many of you know, Magento 2.2 was launched quite recently, and Magento 2.2 really has driven down and doubled down on a lot of that B2B functionality. And I'll walk you through some of the great features that we have enabled in Magento 2.2. At the core, the idea is to allow your customers in a B2B world to purchase from you with the least friction possible. There's many great features that Magento has included in its latest version. We have the capability for your customers to order by simply entering SKU numbers. We have the ability to add requisition lists. We have the ability to do fast ordering and we have multiple ways of enabling fast ordering processes. We have a full quote request workflow built in, where customers can request a quote and get answers from you, the merchant, straight away on the platform. And with great API functionality and great API coverage, we also have great support for punch-out, which is very common in the B2B world. We also allow you to differentiate and create real personalized experiences for B2B customers. We have the ability to create custom catalogs and custom price lists on an individual customer basis. We have the ability to segment and target these customers, showing them relevant promotions, showing them relevant product recommendations, showing them relevant content, and building that customized experience for an individual user or an individual company. As with previous versions of Magento, you also have the ability to create multiple sites and multiple versions of the site. You can create sites, for example, per brand or per division of your company. You have the ability to also create sites on the per geography basis with all the relevant complexities that brings. You can create sites for individual channel partners, and then for those very large B2B accounts, you might want to create a specific site for those customers to have an even more personalized experience when they shop with you. We also offer your customers very good self-service tools. And the idea really here is to take processes that today are being done manually and that are very time-consuming within your company and give your customers the ability to have a self-service portal to do many of those transactions in a more automated and self-service fashion. Within this element, we've included the ability to create corporate accounts, so company accounts. These company accounts can include multiple users. The users can have different roles and different permissions on the front end. And with that functionality, your customers can really mirror their internal architectures within your Magento instance to make it as easy as possible for them to order from you. We have the ability to do payments on account. We have a full order quoting and order tracking and history included that allows customers to not pick up the phone and call you, but go online and look up past orders. And orders can be seen either by the individual user themselves, but the individual user can, if the right permissions are set, also see orders and quotes that have been created by other users in his or her company. One problem and one issue that's come up from our customers over and over is that errors within the ordering process are very costly and are very, very time-consuming. So we made it as easy as possible to ensure that customers don't make any mistakes or errors when they order products from you. Our fast ordering tools, like the SKU, order by SKU functionality, has an automatic SKU checker built in that will validate the SKUs as they are entered. It will also validate that enough inventory is available for customers to actually purchase the products that they're ordering. And of course, we will show the customer an image straight away when they enter a SKU to ensure that the customer can check that they have the right product selected. As we have custom catalogs on a per account base, we will make sure that the customer only orders the products that they have actually access to, and they will see their individual pricing. And again, all of this functionality is built so that the customer can have a self-service ordering process without manual involvement from you, and that reduces errors as much as possible. So those were the features that are included in our Magento Commerce suite. Within our order management suite, we have additional functionalities that are very interesting to B2B customers. And really, the idea here is that you have the ability to present real-time, accurate inventory information to your customers at all times. Inventory information can come from your warehouses, but it can also come from external dropship networks. It can come from suppliers. It can come from channel partners. It can come from your local branches. And that information, if given to the customer, makes it much easier for the customer to decide when and how to order. Additionally, our order management system has smart sourcing rules built in that allow you to optimize your fulfillment strategies for a range of different attributes and factors. The ability to order on account is new in Magento 2.2 as well. You have the ability to set a credit limit on a per customer basis, and you can also set a currency, of course, on a customer basis. Customers can see transactions and place transactions against that credit. They can see the transactions and they can see a full history of credit, both of orders placed against that credit and of payments that have gone into the system and into your accounts, and that will increase the credit again. And the full functionality is, of course, accessible via APIs so that you can integrate with your external financial systems, your existing financial systems, to make this as useful as possible. And again, the idea is that this is a full self-managed, customer self-managed tool that takes a lot of the day-to-day manual work away from your teams. Our business intelligence suite has also been updated to have a lot more B2B functionality. There is over 100 out-of-the-box B2B reports that have been pre-configured and that are enabled to all of our customers. Each of these reports is, of course, completely configurable and customizable, and you can create your own reports as well. The idea here is that a business user or a marketer can go into the business intelligence suite, create his or her own reports, without involvement from IT, without involvement from developers or database administrators, and have quick, fast access to data, allowing that user to make decisions quicker, allowing you to generate more revenue by better decision making. The full stack, as Kathleen alluded to, is available in the cloud, and the idea really is that we have reliable, scalable hosting. It's based on AWS. It's monitored 24/7. It's got fantastic SLAs, and it's available across the globe at multiple data centers. Our cloud also includes a high-speed content delivery network and a range of performance monitoring tools that will help you be efficient. The stack is optimized for Magento, and probably the best piece here is that there is a single contract for licensing, hosting, and all support services related, as well as the SLA. As it is normal these days with Magento products, it is the product specifically on the B2B side is fully accessible via APIs. It's extensive APIs that allow you to integrate. It stays the same open source modern platform, and there is many off-the-shelf integrations for some of the systems that you see on the slide here, and of course many other ERP systems, CRM systems, OMS, WMS systems, and so on can be integrated using APIs and off-the-shelf extensions available in our marketplace. And again, the ones of you that are interested, the system integrators in the room will be happy to talk to you more about integration. That's what they're really good at. So just a few numbers on our most recent release, so Magento 2.2. And again, alluding here just to the great, phenomenal contribution that the community has done. There were over 540 community contributions with Magento 2.2, and we delivered over 400 enhancements. We've decreased quite dramatically the number of private methods or private APIs that were used in the Magento core, Magento code, and we've made those available externally, enabling us to have a fourfold increase in API coverage across the board. Magento 2.2 was also one of our most stable releases. There have been over 2,800 manual tests were executed. And we had over 35 release candidates of Magento 2.2 before we were happy with the quality of the product and before we released it to the market. And next I have just a quick video for you to see a very, very quick demo of Magento 2.2 in action.
Grow your B2B business with Magento Digital Commerce. We make it easy to manage and sell to companies with multiple buyers in layered organizational structures with varying levels of authority. Companies have the power to manage their company profile, enable buyers, organize them according to the company structure, and assign roles and permissions. Buyers can track their available credit, make purchases on credit, track order statuses, and much more. Easily manage the quoting process from initial request through to order completion with a streamlined workflow. Buyers can easily add items to their cart and request a quote. Merchants can negotiate pricing a variety of different ways, offering optimal flexibility to ensure a happy buyer. And with a history log tracking actions along the way, you get full transparency on both sides. Drive recurring revenue with fast and convenient ordering. Quickly add products to the cart by entering SKUs or uploading a list of SKUs. Create requisition lists with products that are frequently purchased.
Great. Next, let's talk a little bit about Magento Order Management. And the idea behind Magento Order Management really is very, very simple. First, we need to get accurate information, accurate stock and inventory information. We need to know where stuff is. We need to know where products are before we can sell them. Secondly, let's make that information available to your customers so that the customers can choose if they want to pick up a product because it's available in the store 200 meters away from them, or if they want that product shipped to their home or their office. And third, we combine these inbound orders that need to be shipped with the inventory information that we now have to enable a most efficient way of shipping. And when I say most efficient is defined by you. You decide what you want to optimize for. If you're a luxury brand with huge margins, you might want to optimize for service and for speed of delivery. If you're a low-margin business, you might want to optimize for cost of delivery. And there's many other attributes that you can optimize for. And that optimization is up to you using the business logic tools that we provide you to make those optimizations. And the idea, in the end, is quite simple. You want the ability to fulfill from anywhere. You want to turn those stores, you want to turn the distribution networks, you want to turn your drop shippers, you maybe want to even turn your partner stores into mini fulfillment centers and use them as strategic assets to enable better service to your customer, enable faster, quicker shipping to your customers. And secondly, you want to engage everywhere. Once you have stock information and know where your product is, you have the ability to engage in many more locations, in many more channels, through new ways like Internet of Things, through social media, and so on. So you're ready to provide products and provide commerce anywhere where commerce will happen in the future. Yeah, you can see some great logos on the slide here. We've signed up some great customers that are using the Magento order management system today. We have over 2,000 physical stores that are connected to our systems, and those are spread over 30 countries, and the list of logos is growing very rapidly. And this has really only been possible through the help of our system integrators, our Magento partners. As with other pieces of our product portfolio, the SIs, the Magento partners, play a crucial role in the way we go to market. We have over 75 solution partners that are trained on Magento Order Management today, and we're training more every quarter. More work needs to be done here, and we're really putting the effort in. As we train more partners, we increase the business opportunity for those partners, but also at the same time, we decrease the complexity and the cost of implementing Magento Order Management. We've decreased that by over 50%. At the start, when we launched this product, the implementation really was done by Magento. So we were the implementers and did 100% of the work. We're now at a stage where a system integrator can do 75% of the implementation work, and we're working very hard to get that to 100% as quickly as we can. And you can see the deployment timelines are quite impressive as well. It's not just system integrators and partners, system integrating partners that are important for us, but technology partners are as crucial to this as well. You can see some of the great technology partners that we have included, that we have already signed up and that are already available and pre-integrated with the Magento Order Management system. So, a couple of minutes on social commerce. As customers put more and more trust in social networks, we see many customers take that next step and actually complete purchases directly on social media platforms. And this is where Magento Social comes in. It offers a unique range of benefits, and at the core, it takes your catalog and makes it available for purchase on the social channels. But also, and maybe even more interestingly, it has the ability to manage social network advertising for you. And I have a quick video to show you how what that looks like.
Magento Social enables merchants to exponentially increase their customer base and opportunities for conversion by making it easy to extend their online store across social channels. Magento will seamlessly sync your product catalog with its SaaS service, keeping its knowledge of your current offerings up to date at all times. In just a few seconds, you'll be a multi-channel retailer with no technical knowledge required. Magento connects directly to your social profiles and automatically generates product listings and stores within these social channels. This connection eliminates the need to manage your catalog in multiple locations, as your existing images, pricing information, and product descriptions are automatically synced. Magento's knowledge of your product catalog also greatly simplifies the process of creating and running ad campaigns on Facebook by automatically importing information about the products you have for sale. And once your ad is up and running, monitor performance and available budget to allocate ad spend towards the best performing products and categories.
Great. Next, you have just a single slide on Magento Shipping. And really, over the last few years, we've heard loud and clear from our customers that shipping has been a real pain point. Local shipping methods are often very hard to integrate, and local shipping providers tend to update their integrations quite often. It's quite hard as a small merchant to get the attention of one of these large shipping companies. And it's really not software or plugins that customers want to buy, but they want to buy a service that just works. And the reason behind this is that the wrong shipping methods at the wrong prices really, really kill conversion rates. And again, this is where Magento Shipping comes in. So the idea behind Magento Shipping is that it helps merchants display the right shipping methods at the right time, at the right prices. It pre-integrates and has a range of pre-integrations into many large shipping methods like FedEx and UPS, DHL, and so on. And we make the process of integrating very, very simple and seamless. It also helps drive down shipping costs by offering merchants very good shipping rates. And we have more information to come on Magento Shipping in the very near future. And my last topic is the Magento Advance CMS. With the announcements of our acquisition of Bluefoot CMS earlier this year, we tipped our hand that we're looking at bringing some significant changes to how you interact with the Magento administrative panels. Bluefoot is really easy to use, it's great to use, and you'll be pleased to know that we're integrating it natively into our core code. We're committed to bringing out more drag and drop functionality, better inline text editing, and a range of other functionalities. And the idea behind all of this is to empower your teams, empower your marketing teams, empower your business teams to create great content without getting front-end developers involved, without having to program new HTML every time. The idea is that they can create custom customer experiences that are individualized and personalized for a specific customer or company. And all of this will help you drive better conversion rates by creating the right content and showing the right products to a customer. And because there is less involvement from IT, less involvement from developers, it really accelerates the time to market, making you more competitive, making you able to act quicker. And again, a quick video on this to show you a quick demo of the CMS.
Magento Digital Commerce provides simple, easy-to-use page builder functionality that enables you to create rich and compelling content and commerce experiences that drive customer conversion and loyalty. Headers, images, products, text, and more can be easily added and organized on a page using intuitive controls. This empowers almost anyone to build, launch, and maintain completely custom pages without the assistance of a front-end developer. Powerful design tools and third-party integrations enable you to quickly and easily add product content, videos, maps, or custom HTML to maximize your design flexibility while accelerating your speed to launch. Simplify future work by creating and saving new page templates, or use the template manager to leverage existing templates for simple edits or reuse. And as we look into the future, you'll see an improved user interface, use of the Magento Media Gallery with enhanced image editing, full drag and drop capabilities, and inline text editing.
Perfect. That's it for me. The Magento team is available all day at the Magento stand, so please come by, say hello, ask any questions that you have, and thank you very much for your time.